Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. To celebrate National Crayon Day, today's session is on bold and bright birds. Nature beholds the most beautiful sights and sounds on Earth. One of the most unique creatures we see are birds. There are over 11,000 species of birds around the world. All birds have wings, but not all birds fly. Their songs are as bold as their beautiful feathers. While most birds take flight in the sky, many build their homes outside our window. What birds do you see in your backyard? For this activity, you will create a bold and bright bird. You will need pencil, paper, crayons, and watercolor. Start by drawing a tree branch across the page. Next, decide which bird you will draw perched on the branch. I am drawing an eastern bluebird. Start with basic shapes. Lightly draw an oval shape for the body. The head is a circle or oval shape. The beak extends from the face and is a triangle shape. Ready for a creativity tip? It's time to add some bold and bright colors. Birds often have more than one color. When blending different colors, you can use the flat end of the crayon and press lightly or slightly overlap colors using the tip. To show details, use the tip of the crayon. Add watercolor to the background. Notice that the crayon will resist the watercolor. Parents and teachers, post young artist creations on social media. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with creativity tips.